the emergency landing, only slightly taken out. The incident occurred in an area 60 miles southwest of Eglin Air Force Base. Graf took control of the single-engine plane and returned the aircraft to Eglin. Recently, assigned to Eglin as a Navy licensed officer, Graf reported to his present duty station last July. A former enlisted man, the 39-year-old officer served as an aerial photographer for several years, and his general familiarity with aircraft is credited with helping him land the plane. The lead summarizes the elaborated the lot of the story. And so on. The writer proceeds through the story by selecting the next most important incident, facts or details, then the next thing. At this point, the writer has reached the apex of the inverted pyramid with material of least value. The writer knows there has been a trend among civilian newsrooms as talking a story on the paper. Several years ago, it is verbally, then sounded like every other story that had appeared before only the name and report of the story. The editor-director encouraged his writers to use a more conversational tone, coupled and natural. Doesn't have some technique, some activities will be presented at the end. But in that case, you are not ready before example. So you have to repeat before tomorrow if you're available visual aid. All examples must be there in your visual aid. You won't be spending time writing the board. There is no participation, so your message will be left handling. So this time we have tomorrow I still expect the party. The 10 minutes will be spent just read without topic, okay? For your hours. Okay, well, see you.